Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can send money from your Monzo account. So let's start. So open up your Monzo account, tap on participants button here, and tap on pay. You will have two options for this one. The first one is pay by bank transfer, and the second one is pay anyone with a link. So let's start with the first option, pay by bank transfer. Now you will see all your bank information and you can type the amount you want to send. So for example, let's type £10 and tap on next. Enter your 4-digit PIN and you should be good to go. Now let's check out pay anyone with a link. Tap on get started and enter the amount you wish to send. So again, let's type £10. You can insert a message here, tap next and enter your 4-digit PIN. Tap on share payment link and you can share this to your friends. Alright, so there we have it, guys. This is how you can send money from Monzo account. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.